Hello, my name is Dmitry, and on this channel I will present you my various products for making pyrotechnics. You can see here reviews of paper and plastic products, tools, equipment, accessories and more for pyrotechnics. I will also be showing the making of various items from cakes, display shells, rockets and other items using my products. Subscribe to my channel, follow the news on social networks and visit my website pyrocomponent.com and see all my products. Worldwide shipping is available. You can calculate shipping to your country automatically at checkout. Also on the website you can see articles about pyrotechnics, news about the store, as well as subscribe to newsletter by email and be aware of all updates and changes. Thanks for watching. Bye.